Now I want to do banking. So when we are discussing about banking, in the bank different types of accounts are there. Example I am giving savings account, recurring deposit accounts, fixed deposit accounts like this. Many types of accounts are there. Current account, many types of accounts are there. But here we will discuss only recurring deposit account RDA. So this recurring deposit account, if we discuss, few things are there. We have to know. I, that small I am denoting it as interest, or you can write it capital I, equal to interest given by the bank. Small n, that is number of months. Small p, that is principal. Principal means per month what is the amount someone is depositing. Small r is the rate of interest. MV is the maturity value. Now what is MV? This recurring deposit actually, let's say someone is depositing money month wise, per quarter, per year like this. So let me consider that per month deposition. So first month a particular person is depositing 100 rupees. Second month again 100 rupees. Third month again 100 rupees. This way a person deposits the money. In this way he is depositing, let's say, uh, 12 months. Then after 12 months, what is the total amount he will get? That is called maturity value. In this case 100 is the principal. Rate of interest, it will be given by the bank. Let it is 8% I am considering now. It will be given in the book. So that percentage will be R. Then number of months. How many months he is depositing? I told that in this case 12 months. He is depositing 1 year, that is 12 months. That is number of months. And I means small I or capital I. I means the total interest paid by the bank or the person will get. That is called capital I, the interest. So here you see RDA, recurring deposit account. So what will be the interest? You see interest formula is P into N into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. This is the interest given by the bank. Now the formula why it is coming in this way. Actually there is a particular rule. It is little complex. That kind of derivation you will learn in class 11. So I am not telling now. Just you remember that interest formula is this, where n is the number of months, p is the principal per month deposition, r is the rate of interest. Then maturity value, that means after the time period, that is after 1 year or after 2 years, what is assigned before. Maturity value will be P into N, that is deposit part, that is the person deposit this amount, P amount for N month, that is deposit part, and this is interest part. The same thing I have written here. So the formula is P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. So this is the formula. These two formula only we need to solve these banking sums. That's all.